How to fix if Life360 application is unable to connect. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are trying to access the Life360 application but it keeps on saying unable to connect, here are some troubleshooting steps that should probably help. To get started with, you will have to update the app. For this, visit your app store such as Google Play Store or Apple Play Store or App Store. Then search for Life360 and update it if any update is available. It should be indicated by the button called as update. Next step would be checking your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable one. Also, you can try switching from Wi-Fi to cellular data if possible to check if the issue persists. For the third option, we'll have to check the app permissions. For this, long press the App 360 or Live 360 application and go to App Info. Under this, click on Permissions and then you'll have to check for the location and make sure it's allowed all the time. Also make sure that the physical activity has been given permission to. However, if this is not the case, go back to the previous page of app information or app info. Now from there, you'll have to select on the option of battery. Now make sure that you have selected unrestricted instead of optimize or restricted. After that, you should also allow the data usage, which is under the mobile data, which means background data usage is allowed and data saver options are disabled. Once you do all of this, relaunch the application and your issue should be fixed. That is all for today's video. If you have got any queries, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section. Thank you and keep watching.